Newly recovered security camera footage from inside a U.S. college fraternity house showed a student had been given at least 18 drinks in less than 90 minutes, investigators said while announcing dozens of new charges related to the pledge's death. Center County District Attorney Stacey Parks Miller charged 10 new defendants, reinstated charges against 2 people whose cases had been dropped and added counts against 5 who had previously been charged for actions surrounding the February 4 death of Beta Theta Pi pledge Tim Piazza at Penn State, Pennsylvania. One fraternity member is accused of deleting the video as police were seeking the footage. 26 people now face charges in the case. Piazza, a 19-year-old engineering student from Lebanon, New Jersey, suffered a fractured skull, shattered spleen and other injuries, likely during a series of falls inside the house. He was estimated to have had a blood alcohol level several times the legal limit for adult drivers. The house's security system captured many of the events the night Piazza was injured, footage that had already been played at a preliminary hearing for those charged previously. But until recently, that did not include the basement, where Piazza was found the next morning. A court affidavit said one of the brothers, Braxton Becker, purposely deleted the basement footage 2 days after Piazza died, but the FBI was able to recover it. Becker's motive, wrote State College Police Detective David Cicatano, was to conceal the worst of the drinking and hazing. Detectives also found a text from Becker the day after the party, saying Piazza was technically hazed into drinking that much. In another text, Becker used an expletive to say someone had argued against getting the pledges very drunk but no one listened. Becker, 21, of Issaquah, New York, was charged with evidence tampering, obstruction and hindering a prosecution. His lawyer did not return a message seeking comment. Parks Miller said in a written statement that the basement video clearly depicts a continuation of the hazing activity previously captured upstairs, including giving pledges beer, wine and vodka. In fact, on video, Tim Piazza does not obtain his own alcohol at any point, rather, every drink consumed was provided to him by a fraternity brother, she said. Piazza's father, Jim Piazza, said his family was making plans for the holidays without the son. Over the last several months we listened to defense arguments centered around victim blaming or how could the defendants have known they were putting someone seriously at risk since no one died before, as if they were entitled to one free death, or the catch-all argument of, we don't know, he said. He said coercing someone to drink as much as his son did is egregiously reckless and, according to the police and the DOJ, is criminal. In September, following an unusually long, hard-fought preliminary hearing, a judge dismissed the most serious charges against the fraternity members. Parks Miller, WHO's leaving office at the end of the year, then refiled many of the charges. The most serious offenses include involuntary manslaughter and aggravated assault, while others are charged with hazing or alcohol violations.